Hello dear students, today we are going to see the English workshop class 9th English 1.2 the fun they had. So the first question is use the proper punctuation mark. A. Where did you find it? Answer. Where did you find it? Question mark. B. What's it about? Answer. What's it about? Question mark. Next, they had a teacher. Answer. They had a teacher. Full stop. Next, how could a man be a teacher? Answer. How could a man be a teacher? Question mark. Next, sure, if they were the same age. Answer. Sure, comma, if they were the same age. Full stop. Question number 2. The following sentences have an unusual meaning in the context of the story. Write what these sentences would mean today and what they mean in the context of the story. A. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Answer. Meaning today. The teacher, who may be a man or woman, would be dismissed from his or her duties. Meaning in the context of the story, would take away a computer or machine. B. They had taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. Answer. Meaning today, Tommy had no teacher in his classroom for 1 month. Meaning in the context of the story, Tommy's computer was taken away. C. It wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Meaning today, a man cannot be a regular teacher. Meaning in the context of the story, it was not a mechanical teacher or computer, but a man as a teacher. Next question, how could a man be a teacher? Meaning today, a man cannot be a teacher. Meaning in the context of the story, a computer can only be a teacher. Next, a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches. Answer. Meaning today, an individual who is a teacher, he or she must teach according to the student's mental ability. Meaning in the context of the story, a computer or mechanical teacher has to be adjusted according to the mind of the student who would use it. Question number 3. Write words related to the following words. At least 10 words each. यहाँ पे हमें बुक से रिलेटेड वर्ड राइट डाउन करने हैं. फर्स्ट वर्ड है पेजेस, नॉलेज, ऑथर, नॉवेल, लाइब्रेरी, पेपर, पोएट्री, टाइटल, स्टोरी, चैप्टर, इंफॉर्मेशन एंड रीडिंग. नेक्स्ट, स्कूल, बुक, स्टूडेंट, एजुकेशन, क्लासरूम, यूनिफॉर्म, टीचर, क्लास, लाइब्रेरी, होमवर्क, एक्टिविटीज, प्लेग्राउंड, प्रिंसिपल. नेक्स्ट, फैमिली, होम, स्मॉल, प्राइड, पेरेंट्स, डॉटर, अंकल, बिग, सन, happy, father, neighbors, mother. Question number 4. Discuss. How would you like to learn from a human teacher or a mechanical teacher? Present your arguments in the form of a chart. Human teacher, advantages, disadvantages. Answer. Personal interaction, supportive and helpful, understands a student mind better, moral and social learning. Disadvantages of human teacher: limited availability. Second, takes time to access students' potential. Third, limited knowledge. And fourth, influenced by emotions. Mechanical teacher: advantages and disadvantages. First, full of knowledge. Second, easily available anytime. Third, quick and responsive. Fourth, can be adjusted to any level. And disadvantages of mechanical teacher are boring, not interactive. Third, can have a mechanical issues. And fourth is no human feelings. Question number 5. Rewrite the following using complete words instead of contracted forms. A. When you are through. Write down the complete word when you are through. यहाँ पे जो सेंटेंस दिया गया था वहाँ पे यू आर का कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म दिया गया था. यहाँ पे नीचे उसका आंसर जो है वो कंप्लीट वर्ड में हमने राइट डाउन किया है. अभी सेकंड सेंटेंस है, यहाँ पे इट्स दिया गया है, दैट इज कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म ऑफ इट इज. तो आंसर क्या राइट डाउन करेंगे? एंड इट इज गुड फॉर प्लेंटी मोर. आई वुडंट थ्रो इट अवे. आंसर, आई वुड नॉट थ्रो इट अवे. नेक्स्ट, she hadn't seen as many telebooks. Answer, she had not seen as many telebooks. Next, what's it about? Answer, what is it about? Next, I have slowed it up. Answer, I have slowed it up. I don't know. I do not know. Next, it wasn't a regular teacher. Answer, it was not a regular teacher. Question number 6. Underline the verbs and choose the correct options from the bracket. First, Margie even wrote about it. Wrote. And this is past tense. Second, today Tommy found a new book. Found is the verb and past tense. Next, my father knows as much as my teacher. Knows is the verb and this is present tense. Next, Margie was scornful. Was, this is singular. This is the old kind of school. Is, this is singular. And the teachers were people. Were. And the teachers were people. Were. This is plural form. I don't know change I to she. Answer, she doesn't know. Second, my father knows change my father to we. Answer, we know. Third, I am following in your footsteps. Change I to he. Answer, he is following in your footstep. Question number 7. Leave English online shopping. Online shopping in 5 easy steps. First step is sign up, that is register, choose, add to cart, pay and take delivery. Firstly, whenever we can register or sign up and create your account. After that, browse and select the product of your choice from the given categories. Third, add your product to cart. Next, pay the total amount via online banking, debit card or pay cash on delivery. And last, check your product when it was delivered to you. Next question, write in step-by-step manner how Tejaswini and Santosh bought a gift for Didi online. Answer, Tejaswini and Santosh signed up and created an account on the online shopping account. Second, they browsed and selected the product of their choice. Third, they added the selected product to the cart. Next, they paid the amount via online banking. Next, they checked the product after receiving it. Next question, use the website to try your hand at the practical or mock trial of online shopping. Look at the above web page and tell. First, the name of the website. The name of the website www.chalashikuya.com. What we can buy there? Answer, we can buy books, educational toys, stationery, e-learning products. Next, the offer on poster colors. Answer, on buying a pack of 8 poster colors, one will be get a paint brush free. Next question, suppose one of your parents or an older relative wants to know about online shopping and you are explaining how to do it. Write a conversation between you and your parents or relative about it. A conversation about online shopping between dad and me. Answer, Dad said, son, I need to buy sports shoes for my Matheran next week. I wish to try online shopping, but I don't know the process. Me said, don't worry, Dad. I am here to help you. Let's sign up first. Dad said, I suppose it's quite complicated. Me said, not at all, Dad. Now go on the search bar and type whichever shoes you need. Dad said, I don't have any particular shoes in my mind. Me said, well, then we will click here, shoes option and select shoes. Dad said, these seem nice and are in my budget. Me said, then add them to the cart. Now we have ordered the sports shoes. They will deliver the product within 10 days. Dad said, very good. It's very simple, isn't it? Me said, sure it is. Now, do you want to pay via net banking, credit card or cash on delivery? Dad said, I prefer cash on delivery. Me said, okay, we are done here. We can even track our order to find where your shoes have reached. Next question. Form pairs. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of online shopping and fill the following table. Advantages: time saving, variety of products, easy to pay, easy to order, good discount. Disadvantages: delay in delivery. Second, products are not always genuine. Third, prone to scam. Next, at times difficult to return. And next, not possible to see and touch the product before buying. Write a paragraph on online shopping using the points in the above table. In recent years, online shopping has become the easiest way to buy and sell things. Paying for products is also easy now, as many shopping websites offer a cash on delivery options. But online shopping also has some problems. They can be credit card frauds or scams. You cannot see or check the product in person before buying. One may find it difficult to return or exchange a product. Still, online shopping has grown a lot in the past few years. Even with this issue, in this way, today we have completed 1.2 The Fun They Had Complete English Workshop Class 9th. Dear students, if you like my video then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.